Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Bea and I'm glad you're back. And in case you are new here, my channel is about mixed media, painting, art journaling, assemblage and anything else what sparks my interest. And in this video I create an art journal page that features the wisteria from our garden. And just to get it straight from the beginning, it isn't a realistic painting. It is just my representation of a wisteria which I love, one for the color and second for the smell. I was actually thinking about incorporating some perfume, but then I decided maybe that would be a little bit too much. Beside of that, I don't know where to get the right essence or what it does to the paper and the paints. But now back to the table. I did start with collaging random items that were laying around on my table, like leftover washi tapes, painted deli papers or old book pages. To glue them down, I did use Liquitex matte medium. On the table there is a photo from the wisteria. It did print it way too blue as I'm running out of toner, but I will insert the actual picture so you can see the real colors. My first idea was to use parts of the printout as a base for my painted wisteria, but now I had to change the approach slightly. Now that everything is glued down, I add a light coat of gesso all over. Sorry folks, somehow the part where I started to scribble with the water-soluble oil pastels didn't make it on camera. And yes, it was an operator error. Simply forgot to turn on after a break. But basically I did the same thing what I'm doing now. Scribbling with the water-soluble oil pastel and then smushing it around with Liquitex matte. So the first layer I did with a light purple and Liquitex matte. When it was dry, I did the same with browns and greens, as you can see it right now. For the next layer, I use acrylic paints in two different purples and a white. I use a dabbing stroke to apply the individual flowers, which leaves a more structured paint blob, which I don't smooth out. And as you're gonna see, I don't clean the brush when I change color. I want that mixing of the paint happen. And by the way, I did speed up this part 4 times instead of 2 times. And now enjoy the process. I'm gonna leave you with some music. I will step in whenever I have to say something. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. And in case you are new here, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon. I appreciate all my subbies. With the same colors I have used so far, I make splatters. I simply add water to the paint and use the brush for the splatters.